Good day, everyone. Today our message comes from Mark chapter 4, verse 26-29. The parable of the seed growing secretly. This passage reminds us that even when we don't see immediate result, God is always at work in our lives. Our journey of faith is not limited by what our eyes can see, because God moves beyond boundaries. Jesus tells us that the kingdom of God is like a man who scatters seed on the ground. The farmer sleeps and wakes up, and while he is not watching, the seed grows first the blade, then the ear, then the full grain. This teaches three important truths. Growth comes from God. We can plant seeds of kindness, love, and obedience, but God gives the increase even when we feel weak or unnoticed. He is working in the background. Faith grows little by little, like a seed. Faith doesn't grow overnight. Some prayers take time, some healing takes time, some dreams take time. God teaches us patience and in waiting. Every small step matters. God sees our small acts of love, the encouraging word, the simple prayer, the helping hand. They are seeds that will one day harvest blessings for His glory. Hello, sir.